Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install CapCut. So first of all, go to Google and type CapCut and click on the link to their official page. Now click download for Windows, and as you can see it is being downloaded as we speak right now. So it might take a while, so just speed it up. So we have it on our desktop. Just double click it. Now we have to agree to the terms and click install. So now it's being installed. It might take a few moments. So let's wait. Well, in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It will help me with creating more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you very much. So it is still being installed. It's almost there. Just a few moments. Now the icon has been created on the desktop. So it's there. Okay, we can click start now. And now it's testing environment. Okay, sometimes you get a pop-up like this that you have to update your graphics driver. I didn't really have to, but you can be asked for that. So that's it. Now you just go and create a new project and just start using CapCut. That's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.